A very good morning, students. I am Professor Dr. Simarjit Shergill, Head of the Department Life Sciences. On behalf of Ratan Bhara University, wholeheartedly welcome to all my dear students of Life Sciences at this e-orientation program, where we will be discussing about the learning outcome of the semester and the rules and the regulations and the continuous evaluation. And at the end of this e-orientation program, definitely we will be entertaining students' queries also. So first of all, my dear students, I would like to welcome all of you. So welcome back, dear students. We are ready at Ratan Bhara University to improve the world. I can't wait to see all your smiling faces again. And dear students, we are really very glad to have you back as you continue your journey to the next stage. We at Ratan Bhara University, we encourage you to make the most of your time here. Your university experience will be what you make it, and your opportunities will be only limited by the limits you place on yourself. Okay, so you are the one who has to decide your own limits. We are looking forward to seeing my former second semester students upgraded to the third semester and fourth semester upgraded to the fifth semester. We are so lucky to have you back in our life and so glad that you all are safe and healthy under this pandemic situation. And we all are so proud the way you all have handled this pandemic situation so well. Despite being difficulties, you all adjusted so well and came out as a true warrior, beating all the psychological stress, anxiety, and the fear. So your support and the cooperation for online classes was commendable in the previous year. So my dear students, we expect the same kind of positive attitude during this semester also. And trust me, this phase is going to be over very soon. And we all are going to meet in person in our classrooms that we all are missing right now. So at Department of Life Sciences, Ratan Bhara University, we look forward to serving you and making sure you have an enjoyable and successful year. Make this year incredible. This is up to you. And always remember, you are capable of doing amazing things and you can achieve heights in your career and can do the impossible. So be optimistic, be surrounded by the positive energy, just trust in yourself, and most importantly, trust in Ratan Bhara University. And together, we can do miracles. So once again, on behalf of Department of Life Sciences, all the faculty members, I welcome all of you to this new odd semester. Now, what are the goals of this orientation? Dear students, the goal of our orientation program is to facilitate the undergraduate and the postgraduate students to the values, expectations, and the resources of inclusive at Ratan Bhara community that will be their home for the duration of their degree program. And to discuss the various subjects you are going to study during this semester and its learning outcome. So, dear students, the learning outcome of your academic semester is to encourage and enable students to develop inquiring mind, curiosity about science and nature, to acquire knowledge, conceptual understanding, skills to solve the problems, and to make informed decisions in the scientific context. And you will be able to communicate scientific ideas effectively in oral as well as in written format. Most importantly, you will be able to think critically and to evaluate design, conduct quantitatively. You can assess your innovative research in the biological discipline. We are going to have dissertation for the postgraduate students, minor projects, and the report writings for the the graduate students or the undergraduate students. So my dear students, you are going to have this laboratory experience also. Right now in for the postgraduate student in the third semester, you have to give the brief up about the dissertation, what are the objectives of your research findings and what you want to study, and you need to formulate a hypothesis for the same. You have to give the statement of the problem. So likewise, you have to give the brief up about the research work you are going to conduct in your fourth semester. Likewise, for the graduate level, we are having these minor reports and the report writings, and you will be given various disciplines for the same, and accordingly you can choose the area of your choice, and you will be allotted supervisors and the faculty members to guide you, to supervise you, and definitely it's going to be a learning experience for all of you, and you will acquire the skills and the knowledge that is needed for the employment, okay, so that you can work in the various industries and the multinational companies also, and you're going to be a professional. So it's not only about your academic development, we are going to inculcate all other skills also, and it is all about your holistic development. So beside academics, we hope that our students will learn intellectual engagement, scholarly inquiry, professional development and leadership, health and well-being, and most importantly, you will learn how to get adapted to this kind of changing environment, and you will learn about your rights, rules, responsibilities, and particular section devoted to academic and the research integrity. Okay, so these kind of values at Raitan Bhara University we are trying to inculcate in all of you. So my dear students, the timetables and the other details of the programs we have already discussed, and once again I will be sharing all these details with all of you, and I wish a very best of luck to all of you, and I know you all are amazing, wonderful, and you know how to survive under the adverse conditions. So at Raitan Bhara University, together, as I said in the beginning, we can do miracle. So dear students, we just need your support and cooperation, and I advise all of you to be regular for these online classes. Only then you can learn. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay tuned, stay healthy, stay alive. All the very best.